I am in my scimitar again, and I come across this lowly A4. I shoot his tail off with a short burst from my 4-8 cannons. An Alpha jet challenges me to a head-on, which I accept and take him out, though he shoots a hole in my horizontal stabilizer. I pounce on this F9F, Panther, with an AIM-9, Sidewinder missile, and it takes out his tail, so even with my damaged bird I'm quite a remarkable threat. As I'm landing to repair my damaged plane, I come in too slow and I lose stability and my aircraft enters a flat spin. Luckily, I manage to somehow survive. Praise the snail.